video, and my name's Rowdy. This is my sister, and we're gonna be making slime. This is my first time for making slime, right, sis?
Yeah, you need that.
How many times have you been making slime? How many slime?
I don't know. Not a lot.
She made one upstairs, and
I didn't make that here.
well, she made it.
Introduce your names.
We already did, Mom. This is my YouTube.
Okay, so we're starting with the magical liquid from Elmer's. And it says
Oh, no,
to match it with that lime,
I didn't know I had
which is 1/4 of a cup. So then you put that in the bowl. And so,
Oh, use mine.
yeah. And then you put,
Is that enough?
yeah, let me see your thing. Okay, so do you see where that line is, Rowdy? That's how much you need to put in there, so. So there you go. And then put the lid
But
back.
I already put that in.
That's okay, but do you see where that line is? It says 1/4. That's how much you need to put in. So close that. And then you pick your glue, and we have a purple glue, and I have a glow in the dark.
I got glow in dark, and I have a washable glue.
That's just blue.
Yeah, blue.
And so pick which one you're gonna do first.
Which one do you really want to do?
I'm gonna do my glow in the dark first.
Yeah, that's good.
And so you just wear the shoe.
I can make 4 slimes. Put all of it?
Yep, you put the whole bottle.
So hard. It's gonna work out. Ah.
And if it doesn't come out, you have to go like this, I guess. Go like this and shake it. Wait, can you go get me another? Can you go get me a plastic plastic knife out of the pantry?
Yeah.
Okay. Go
Can
get
I
one.
just get all this glue?
Here, go
in?
get one, and I'll shake this out for you.
Okay.
Ah!
What the heck?
Hurry!
What are you looking for, man? Found it!
I'm back.
You gonna get yourself one?
Wait, do I need one?
Well, I got one to do this for.
I don't need that.
Well, how are you supposed to get it all out?
Just sit down. Or I can use this one. Just to make 2 trips.
Okay, this stuff stinks.
Ugh, it does.
Okay, I'm just struggling here. Do you need that?
No.
Well, can you go get a napkin so we can set some of this stuff down so we don't ruin the table?
Mom,
Look, my hands here have glue all over them.
oh, I got a big shot.
And do not say Mom can clean it. Go get a napkin, Bubba.
Oh. We could clean it.
Okay, well, can you please go get a napkin?
Yeah.
So we have less cleaning?
How many?
Like 2 or 3 or 4? I don't know.
I'm full.
We use our hand. You like mix it up with a spoon?
Mm-hmm. We need the rest of the glue out of the freaking tub. Mine is not coming out.
Out of what tub?
Out of the glue thing.
Can you not use two different glues?
Yeah, but why would you want to mix them? I really don't know what I'm doing.
I'm really actually just trying to get it good. It's actually turning into slime, kind of. I really hope I don't get this on my clothes.
Yeah, you should probably stop while you're ahead and take off your jacket. And put on a shirt that it's okay to get slime, I guess.
I don't think any shirt is, but I don't have anything under my shirt.
Can you not go put a shirt on?
Don't want to get on.
Look!
What the?
Okay, I made a freaking mess.
I only got one hand. Work with. I don't think you can see it, but like, yeah. This is actually pretty fun, huh, sis?
Oh god.
Damn. Ooh, I almost got it on me. Like, almost the whole thing. Oh, shoot. I think we just put too much of this in.
Well, all of our glue is not coming out like it's supposed to. Can I have some of your blue glue?
Why, bro?
That one.
Oh,
Give me some of that one.
why'd you use your, no, in the dark blue?
Huh?
You go.
Can you put some in there?
And yours?
Yeah. I'm gonna mix them.
Dana? I'm gonna use. I hope it still works, like it still glows. Oh my, oh! Guys, this looks nasty, bro. Oh shoot, I'll show you at the end. It looks nasty right now. It looks like, look at my sis.
Yeah, that's because you're gonna have to eventually get it with your hands to mess with it, or it won't turn into slime.
Oh, okay. Go.
Prepare to have dirty hands.
Ugh. It feels so weird.
Okay, so mine's starting to turn into slime.
Mine isn't. I just started, so.
Here, don't yell.
So nice, though. Like, it's satisfying, but weird, you know?
Okay, thank goodness this stuff is coming off my freaking hands.
Not mine.
Oh gosh, okay.
Hey, mine's coming to slime.
Yeah. Oh god, don't put it on the table.
Carol. Did we already tell him your name? Or did I just call you sister?
I don't know, did you?
Did I? Comment down below if I did. But her name's Kara, by the way. If I
Oh my
did.
gosh.
Mother, come and introduce yourself to the camera.
Okay.
Ask the car, Mom. Son. Say hi.
Hi, I'm Rowdy's mom. I'm the one that buys her projects and apparently cleans them up. Have fun making slime.
Think about it. She's probably gonna make it clean up to the time process.
How's the slime project going?
Mine actually turned into slime.
Mine kind of did. I don't want to say
Is it
it.
supposed to be so sticky to your finger?
No.
Not mine.
It's not supposed to be, but he needs to add more of that stuff.
Video coming on.
Why didn't we use eye contact solution?
Because we don't need it. Look, you just need to put more of your stuff in there, seal it.
What stuff?
You need more magical liquid, I guess.
I got some more.
There's some in the bowl, so I just like dip it in there and like
I just have to
it makes it less sticky.
yeah, it kind of makes it more liquidy. But it's like feel really stiff now.
Okay, see?
Yeah, yours is like
See, mine all came off of my hands.
oh my gosh, it looks awesome.
Okay, so here's the finished product of my first slime. Move that.
Gotta be quick with slime.
That's how they do it in like Instagram slime videos. They're like,
Press their fingers.
yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Hopefully nobody from my school watches this.
I hope they do.
I hope they don't. I mean, I guess it's good for you, but it's embarrassing for me. So, oh gosh.
But don't you want me to be like famous?
Yeah, someone
If this
someone
gets
else's.
50 likes, I'm not that popular. So if this gets 50 likes, I'll be excited.
What's the most likes you have on a YouTube video?
Probably around 15. It's good time. Good times.
You got 15 likes on the video?
Yeah.
That's cool.
And it was you and bitches.
Yeah, but that's not 15 people. That's only 2.
How do you know it's only 2?
Because me, Taylor, and Brissa, that's only 3 people. That's
No,
not,
that got
doesn't equal,
15 likes.
that doesn't equal 15.
No, I said it got 15 likes.
I know, but that's not just because of us. Like,
Other people, I'm talking about other people. sis.
Yeah, other people liked it.
I know. I have no views on the one where I pranked Kinsey.
Really?
Y'all should go check that video out. It's called Prank Time.
How'd you prank her?
I put ice in her shirt. Mom! We don't allow cussing in this house.
Apparently Mom does.
Mom! Mom! Why'd you cuss?
I did?
Yeah, you said the D word.
Lord, David, please forgive me. You're having to redo the video.
Yeah, Mom said you're gonna have to redo the video.
I really am?
Yeah, I can have press work.
Yeah, but we have another bottle of glue, so like it'll be fine. We'll be like, this is our first slime that we made. And due to technical difficulties, we had to restart. And you need help with yours.
I need real serious help. I need not
Okay.
medical help, but just help. Like, look, I'm putting.
See, look, you almost have it. Here, let me help you. Just leave my slime down. Give it to
Shoot.
me. Give it to me.
Take it.
Look, yours is almost there. You just have to mess with it.
I ain't messing.
Here, give me it and stop.
Take it.
Okay, I'll get that off your hands in a minute.
I have glitter in 'em. No.
Here, stop the video because you're gonna have to stop it.